Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Goddess Style channel. I'm Erin Crow, the Goddess Coach, Goddess Therapist, the Goddess Mom. So last episode of my Goddess tutorial, I did these serpentine arms. This week I'm coming back with another arm therapy movement, and this will be all about the shoulder twist and the shoulder shimmy. So yeah, because I've been traveling, I'm in Dubai right now filming for you. So sitting on the plane chair, you don't really move your upper body as much. It's a bit there's a lot of tension in my shoulders and in my upper back. So today's shoulder shimmy and shoulder twist is perfect to unblock all those blockages in there. So coming right up. Okay, for today, just to warn you, it's a little bit noisy where I am right now. I'm in a public place filming in Dubai, so you might be hearing cars and motorbikes and maybe even an ambulance or two. So, before I continue, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't already, don't forget to click subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment and let me know you've enjoyed it and if you have been practicing any of the moves I've been teaching you in the last couple of weeks. So, coming right up now. Today we're going to be sharing about the shoulder shimmy and the shoulder twist. So the first movement, of course, as usual, is to keep your pelvis tucked in, right? What you can do is have one foot forward and one foot to the back. So your legs are kind of like in a V shape. So from the side, you're just doing this. Remember, pelvis tucked in, your core strong, and you're going to put your hands on the side like this, right? So you're going to have your sternum facing forward, shoulders nice and relaxed and to the back, so sternum forward, boobies forward, arms to the side, okay? And you're going to start off by pushing one shoulder forward, so literally push it like this, push it forward, 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 okay? From the front, it looks like this, forward, back, forward, back, forward and back, forward and back. So on one side it looks like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to alternate, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you do this movement, slow and tight, okay? When you do this and hold it, it actually works your deltoids and even in your underarms. You can feel the muscles being squeezed. So this movement is actually really, really good to work your upper body and your arms like the serpentine of last week. Okay, again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is just the shoulder twist. So again, you can see. And now my whole sternum is moving with me. But I stay in the same plane. I do not go like this. I do not move around too much. We are controlling the movement for now while you're still learning to isolate this movement from the rest of your body. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is just the shoulder twist. So you can then come forward, come down, or twist going back. So as you're doing it going back again, keep your core strong, tight, and your pelvis tucked in. Remember to always keep your back nice and strong and your core muscles, your abdominal muscles tight. Okay, so you can then now move with your legs in a V shape. This way, open up your knees a bit bigger, and now you can do like this and go to the side and to the side. And I'm still using my abdominal muscles to control. You're using your lateral obliques to work the muffin top. That is the shoulder twist. Let's go to the shoulder shimmy. The shoulder shimmy uses the same technique as the twist, front and back. But this time, you're going to loosen up your shoulders. You're not going to enforce your muscle. You're not going to tighten it up. You're just going to go like this, very soft. Okay, this is the shoulder shimmy. A lot of women with smaller boobs think, I don't have boobies, I can't do a shimmy, because they think shoulder shimmy is about moving their boobies, their tatas, their melons, side to side. It's not just about moving your boobies. Say you don't do this. It is about, again, lifting up your sternum, relax your shoulders, and you're going to do the same things. We're just going to do this. Relax. You're moving your shoulders side to side really quickly, and you're just shaking it up. This is the shoulder shimmy from the side. Okay? Shoulder shimmy from the side. Okay? Control of the arms on the side, and you're gonna push your shoulders side to side. And you're gonna go fast by lifting up your sternum and relaxing. My friend is in that corner working with me, and I'm enjoying watching her watching me. Okay, shoulder shimmy is this. Relax. Okay, I'm gonna go forward a bit more. Shoulder shimmy, relax. Okay, shoulder shimmy, when you do it sustained over a few minutes, you actually can feel your underarms working really hard, even though your deltoids are now a bit more relaxed, but you're controlling with your upper arms, okay? Especially here, the underarms, your bingo wings are being worked as you do the shoulder shimmy. You can do the shoulder shimmy walking forward and back, side to side, forward and back, side to side. That is the shoulder shimmy. Shoulder twist and shoulder shimmy. That's it. That's your lesson for today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you want to catch me in another tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so that you're notified when I put my next video up. Bye.